It looks good. It looks very good. We have the National Weather Service will be in my incident command post communicating with me, and then we have anemometers set up along the route, and there are, gust numbers and wind numbers that we have locked into our head that allows us to fly or not to fly.
The parade is a culmination of a lot of different entertainment entities. It's not just balloons, it's floats, it's marching bands. We've got about 900 clowns that are going to be entertaining the 3.5 million people lining the parade route tomorrow. These balloons are awesome. We are going to work with the City of New York to ensure safety, as that is our first priority. We also have 40 smaller balloons that could take to the sky. But this parade is massive. It's entertaining. And everybody tomorrow here in New York and across the country is going to see a parade that is going to be the official kickoff of the holiday season.
I'm just worried because I saw in the taxi on the way here that the wind advisory is that they might not have some of the balloons up tomorrow, so I'm a little worried about that. But besides that, yes, I'm going to stay and be cold and watch the whole thing.
Yeah, now I can